What is man that you are mindful of him? You have made him for a little while lower than the angels. You have put all things in subject under his feet, and you take care of him.